All right, what's up, everyone? Hope you guys are all doing good on this Tuesday. So, I did make an announcement earlier on the community tabs on YouTube stating that I did make a couple adjustments to the dividend portfolio in Robinhood. So, we're going to go over that today. I know a lot of people are probably going to criticize me for doing this. But this is just, something I'm doing. Obviously, this is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes only. And I'm doing this mainly for the passive income with dividends. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did in the Robinhood dividend portfolio. So, the portfolio still stands around 51,000 of $381 for the day. So, the biggest move that I made today was with realty income. So you guys see now I only have 62 shares. So I had around 800 plus shares of realty income. I sold almost 40 grand of realty income. And the main reason why I did that was because I wanted to make more money with dividends with my high yield ETFs that I have in the portfolio. Now, I know this is risky, but that's why I'm diversifying and not just investing in one fund. So, I'm still holding on to 62 shares of realty income. I have $3,000 of market value. I'm up $64, and I do have a $216 dividend pending for this Friday. So, I'm still holding on to realty income. I will keep accumulating more little by little. But right now, my main focus is to build that dividend income every month and make that snowball effect compound way more faster with the high yield. So, like I said, this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. So, I'm still holding on to realty income as my second week payer. So, I threw in around $6,000 into IWMY. I have 594 shares now. I have a market value around 8 grand. I'm down 165 in IWMY. So this is the Defiant Russell 2000 Options Income ETF, a risky ETF. And this this month made me around $109 in dividends. So for next month, it could be even higher than that, depending on the payout. So I'm gonna keep dollar cost averaging into this play, and then using some of that dividend income to buy other plays and safer assets as well. So 594 shares of IWMY. I still have JEPI. I didn't buy anything on JEPI, but I'm up 3 cents. I got fractional shares of that. Stag, you guys can see, still got fractionals. Main Story Capital, I got fractionals of that. I have 5 cents of a dividend hitting Friday as well. Agree Realty, I got fractional shares of this. And Coney was another one I threw in $6,000. So I diversified into all the yield maxes. I have 317 shares now, and total returns are 189. Market value is at $6,900. So Coney paid me only $4 because I had, I think, only 2 shares. So now that I have more shares of Coney, next month will be a higher dividend payment. Like I said, I will be diversifying that dividend money into all of these assets that I have. So that was another one. MSTY, I also threw in another 6 grand. So this follows the MicroStrategy Options Income ETF. So I got 225 shares. I'm up 196. Market value is at $6,872. And for this month, I only received 88 cents. Again, that's going to go up for the month of July, depending on how much they pay in dividends per share. Realty income, like I said, I'm still holding on to this. And I believe those are my second week. As far as my third week, I threw in another 6 grand into YMAX, which in my opinion is probably my favorite one to have. I have 373 shares now. Total returns are at $26. And this one, I believe they will be announcing the dividend this Thursday. So it's a good thing that I bought now, so I could get that dividend for the month of June. So last month for YMAX, I got wasn't too much. So let's see here. I got $21.47 for May. So we'll see how much I get for June now that I put $6,000 into YMAX. PSEC, I believe I bought some of this earlier. I got 10 shares now. I'm up only 1 cent. I have a dividend of 27 cents for next Monday, I believe, or next Tuesday. And I believe I bought $20 worth. So $20, I got 3 shares of that. And YMAG, another high yield options income ETF, the Magnificent 7 Fund. I got 325 shares of this now. I'm up $64. I threw $6,000 in this play as well. And let's see how much they gave me a dividends for May. I only got $1.10, so that's going to be higher for this month. Again, going to diversify the money into all of these stocks that I have in the portfolio, including the VOO and SCHD, which are my high growth stocks, and dividends as well. So that's for the third week. For the fourth week, obviously my highest payer is Clip. So I threw $6,000 in here. I got 569 shares now of the Crane Shares China Internet and Cover Call Strategy ETF. Now, like I said, these are all risky plays, so do your own research. These are just the ones I'm getting into. I'm down $81, but this one actually pays a pretty decent dividend as well. I got $35 last month. We'll see how much it pays out in the end of July, and it should be higher than last month, now that I have 500 plus shares. I only had 70 shares last month, so we'll see how much that is for Clip. I still have gain. Gladstone Investment, I'm down $1.21. And I have DIVO, which is another enhanced dividend income ETF. I'm down 67 cents. So that was the main change in the portfolio. I'm still holding on to VOO, SCHD, which are my growth and dividend plays. So I mean, I'm looking for income. A lot of people are probably going to judge me for selling a lot of Realty Income because I know Realty Income is a dividend aristocrat, meaning it's one of the best stocks probably in the S&P 500, and it pays a dividend of 26 cents a share. I mean, which is great. But I mean, if you're looking for income, which is what I'm looking for, and trying to make more money each and every single month, I'm going to stick to the high yield ones for now. And like I said, I will diversify the income into all the stocks I have now in my portfolio. So that's the main goal, guys, to build up the dividend, the high yield ones, use that dividend income to buy maybe more Realty Income, more Main Street, more ADAC, more Stag, more VOO, more Gain, more SCHD, and then more into the high yield ones and dollar cost average that way to build that snowball effect. So I hope you guys support me on this new journey. I will keep you guys up to date on how the dividends are coming in, how much I'm receiving. So definitely subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you want to sign up for Robinhood, check out my link down below. You can follow me on Instagram, on TikTok as well. So I appreciate all of you for tuning in. And like I said, hope you guys support me on this journey. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. So appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one.